Hi, I'm David Ryan. I work for Global Vision Technology. I am a front-end developer. With the new FAMCare system, one key feature is going to be the report wizard. That is going to simplify reports are generated within FAMCare. Right, so we're going to use the report wizard, which is under the reports report wizard. Here we're going to build a new query. And here there's going to be a couple different categories, but we're going to pick case management. Whenever a form is generated through the pathway wizard, it's going to generate a form out here. It's going to give us the ability to report from it, but also the other thing it's going to do is resolve any database joins. And down here, this is the view that represents the client or the demographic page. There's two ways to add different fields to the report. If we know the name of the field, we can just double click it. I'm going to pick last name. I can double click. And over here, I got my green. And here it shows me in my field list that I got last name. Now, another way to do this is to use this feature here and will allow me to pick the different fields. So if I want the first name, and let's say the gender and the sexual orientation and the race ethnicity. So let's go ahead and with the fields that we have, we're going to go ahead and go to the bottom here and save fields to report. Now, if I go back up to the top, I'll see all the different fields that I have. Now I can run this as a report as is. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to do this build query button. And here, it generates all the SQL, the structured query language that's needed to run the report. And all I got to do now is click this, run the report. Here we go. This is our base report. It's got all the fields that I selected. The thing I wanted to point out is the way the normal database would save this, it wouldn't have these two fields. It wouldn't have the sexual orientation and sexual orientation underscore text. It would just have the first field here. This is something that we did to make the report wizard different than I think from any other site is we go ahead and resolve all of the joins within a database view. It's just going to be so much easier to do a report.